Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and continue working on our navigation bar here that we were creating with the Web 2.0 glossy graphic style. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to just add some quick text for some navigation look. So I'm going to go ahead and just start typing. I'm going to say this is home. I'll apply that and move that up in the top area, the very front. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's pick a nice bold font. Try this one. Let's go ahead and take the size up to about 18. Let's go with 20. Alright, so there's our home. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to create some looks on this. We're going to take this color, we're going to take it down to like a nice dark, really dark red. Because I'm using red, I'm going to use dark red. If you're using any other color, just use the darkest version of that you can try and get, while still retaining some of the color tone in there. So we're going to go ahead and we'll double click on this guy. We're going to add a drop shadow. We're going to take the multiply off and the size, then opacity all the way up. We're going to take the size down. We're going to uncheck global light. Actually, no, we're not going to check it. Uncheck it. We're going to change the color to a light red. There we go. Pink is a really light red. And we'll go ahead and put it at about 1 pixel so far. Okay. Set that okay. Move out to view all pixels. Good. Alright. Let's go ahead and we're going to create some other looks. We're going to create separators between the navigation buttons. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use our rectangle marquee tool and we're going to just select 1 pixel wide from top to bottom. Okay. Go ahead and fill this guy with a gradient and we're going to set this to radial. That's pretty good. We'll go ahead and bring that size down just a little bit. Not a whole lot. There we go. But we're going to make sure this color is actually the same dark red as we have in our text. So we'll go ahead and select this color and get the same tone. Okay. Replace that. Good. Alright. Now we're going to have that set. That's our starting piece. So we're going to move this away just a little bit. Now we're going to take a duplicate of this. We're going to use our Alt or Option tool. And we're going to hold Option and then click press the right arrow key, and it's going to add that. So we're going to change this now to a light red that we have. So we're going to go ahead and just select light red. There we go. And we'll replace that guy. Get rid of that. Bring down the opacity so it's not so harsh at the edges. There we go. So okay. Now we're going to do the same thing. We use our move tool. We're going to use Alt and we're going to press our right or left arrow key. It's going to duplicate. We're going to move on the other side of that. So we'll go ahead and just check that out. I'm not really too a fan of that, but we're going to just take the opacity down to about 80%. See how that looks. Yeah, fell down to 80. A little bit better. If we set this to overlay. Okay, let's just go with that for now. Maybe turning off this guy. Okay, I like that better. So let's go ahead and just ditch this guy and throw in the trash. Alright, these two we're going to go ahead and select and we're going to group. Call these ones navigation separators. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll take our home and we'll just enter into that. We'll just press spacebar a bunch of times, probably about 5 or 6, 7 times. Just so we get equal distance on the side, we'll say page 1, and we'll go same thing, 1, 2, 3. Actually, we can go like this. Let's go ahead and just copy that space and paste that and say page 2, paste page 3, paste page 4. We'll just do 4 right now. We'll go ahead and apply that. I'm going to want to add a little bit more space in these. So I'm going to come in here and add about 4 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, that's about where we are in this video. We're out of time and we'll continue on to the next video.